In the heart of Mesopotamia lies a city where stones speak, Mardin. With thousands of years of history, it stands as a unique mosaic where different cultures and faiths have lived side by side. As you wander through its narrow stone alleys, you trace the footsteps of centuries. The golden limestone houses of Mardin seem to capture the sunlight itself. At every sunset, the city glows in shades of amber, while the endless Mesopotamian plain stretches all the way to the horizon. Mardin is more than just a city. It is a cradle of civilizations, where the minarets of mosques rise alongside church towers and the silent walls of monasteries. From the ancient Deirul Zafaran monastery to the great mosque, from Kasimiye to Zinchiriye Madrasa, every corner tells a timeless story. Here, time slows down. In the historic bazaars, the scent of spices fills the air, and the rhythmic sound of coppersmiths echoes through the streets. At every step, you hear the voice of the past while meeting the warm-hearted people of today. Mardin is an open-air museum carrying the spirit of Mesopotamia. Through the language of its stones, the harmony of its cultures, and the resilience of its people, it reminds us of humanity's shared heritage. This is not just a city, it is a living legacy where the past whispers to the future. This is Mardin,